guys, I'm filming right here at the hotel, right here in Manila, the Philippines. Okay, so I'm going to show you a couple things you need. It's super inexpensive. You don't have to spend $1 to make your own security camera. Now, I think you guys are asking, how are you going to make a security camera without paying money? These security cameras are really expensive. Well, I'll actually show you how to make it without paying $1 and just using an old smartphone and a couple stuff you probably already have. Okay, let's get started. So all you need to do is to find any old iPhone or Android phone. What you want to do is you want to download an app right here. I want to download an app called Persons. Like I just downloaded a couple minutes ago. And you want to press new user. Okay, I'm gonna have to put my email. You can't. You ain't allowed to look. Okay, so it's registering right now. Okay, safe password. Okay. Now, this thing is ready to use. The thing is, you're gonna use this iPod. I'm using my iPod. All you have to do is, it's gonna ask you, iPod Touch. If you have an iPod Touch, use me as video camera. Press yes. And basically, that's all you have to do. Now you're asking, oh, your phone's gonna fall. How are you gonna make a stand? That's also very simple. These things you probably already have in your house, or you can literally find them anywhere. You just need an old box. I have a Jabra Classic. I have a Jabra Talk 15 old box. Some scissors and duct tape. Well, you can use masking tape, but I prefer duct tape. So all you gotta do is just take off a piece of the tape and just have to cut that piece off. And you want to fold a piece of tape like a burrito, like that, like so. Then you want to get the box, tape this onto the box, and tape. Okay, never mind. You're gonna need a lot of pieces of tape. This is just squashed it. Yeah, just squashed it. Or you can do another method. You don't have to stick it on the box. You can stick it onto the phone. But, yeah, I tried to do it with one piece of tape. Don't do it with one piece of tape like I just had it right now. Use 3 pieces of tape. One for the bottom, one for the middle, and one for the top. And this time just tape it onto the phone. It's very inexpensive. I mean, here in Manila, you have to pay 2,000 pesos, which is like 50 or to $100. And that's just a lot of money if you're a kid and you just want to see what's going on outside your house. Now, what you need to do is you need to download the app on your tablet or computer. On the computer is more difficult, you can look at more videos on how to activate it with your computer, because I don't have a computer with me right now, so. Technically, I'm just going to download it on the iPad after I'm done filming. So there you go. Now you just want to kind of slap it on there. And there you go. You have your stand. And then it'll stay recording. But you need it on the other side. Or you can tape it onto the side. Or onto the screen. Don't worry if you still want. You can still use this with any smartphone. But sometimes I just want to use my iPad. And boom! There you go. Oh. And then you have your own security camera. And that's basically how you do it, you guys. And thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. I got a bike. Got a bike. I don't know why I never took on the training wheels, even though I do know how to ride a bike without training wheels. What the heck? I'm just rolling with the motor right now. It's a motorbike. That's technically how to do it, because it's really easy. It's just need to take some time, and that's it. And thank you guys for watching. I'll be back in Los Angeles Sunday, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.